Hello, I'm going to explain you a topic named life process, which is a very basic and important topic of 10th class. But before proceeding further in this life process, you should know what is basic and quite definition of life process. So life process is basically basic functions that is going in our body and your body for survival, for maintenance of your life. And these basic functions include nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportation, control and coordination. These are the very basic functions. These are necessary for your life, for your maintenance and for your survival. So before proceeding further, we should elaborate the topic nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the basic nutrients that you are taking in your body as food. The basic nutrients like vitamins, carbohydrate, fats, minerals, proteins and many more. These are the basic nutrients that you are taking in your food, that you are taking in your balanced diet. Why you are taking these all essential things in your diet? So that you get energy, and by the help of energy you can work, you can do any type of work, right? So nutrition is basically the taking of good nutrients in your body. Now we further proceed in nutrition. So nutrition is divided into two modes. There are two modes of nutrition, right? Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So what do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? We have to learn what is autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, right? So this is a mode of nutrition in which the organisms or plants make their own food. They are capable of making their own food by the help of a process named photosynthesis. So autotrophic nutrition is the self-independent mode in which the plants make their own food by the help of a common and important process named photosynthesis. But heterotrophic is a different. Heterotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which the organism cannot make their own food, but they have to depend directly or indirectly on another organism. They have to depend directly or indirectly on another organism for their food. And the heterotrophic example of heterotrophic are we, human beings, right? And the example of autotrophic is a common example, that is plants. Plants have the ability to make their own food, but human beings can't make their own food. So now we proceed further. The heterotrophic nutrition is also categorized into three types, right? The heterotrophic nutrition is categorized into three types, that are saprophytic mode of nutrition, parasitic mode of nutrition and holozoic mode of nutrition. These are the three categories in which the heterotrophic nutrition are divided. First, the saprophytic. What do you mean by saprophytic mode of nutrition? So, in this mode of nutrition, organisms have to feed on dead and decaying matter. Dead and decaying organisms are their food. They take nutrition from dead and decaying matter or dead and decaying organisms. But the parasitic mode of nutrition is just opposite to the saprophytic, right? In parasitic mode of nutrition, the organism have to depend on living organism. They have to depend on living organism for their food, but they don't harm that living organism. Just remember this point. They do not harm that organism. Only the parasitic organism take food without killing them. So saprophytic is taking nutrition from dead and decaying, parasitic is taking nutrition from living organism, and in the case of holozoic, the nutrition is taken or the feeding is done on the solid food. The solid food like we do. The solid food, we have to take nutrition or we have to feed on the solid food. Now the solid food or the holozoic mode of nutrition have 5 categories. The holozoic mode of nutrition is categorized into 5 types. The names are: first, ingestion. Second, digestion. Third, absorption. Fourth, assimilation. And fifth, egestion. So these all the 5 types we have to study in further in the nutrition of animals, but I'm just giving you a basic point regarding these. So ingestion include the taking of food. You are taking whatever food you are taking, or the taking of food, the initial step. Digestion include the process of digestion of food. Right, the digestion it is by chemical method or it is by physical method, how your food is digesting by enzymes, or how your food is digesting by the tongue, by the mouth, by the teeth. These are the methods that help or that start the process of digestion. Absorption means the digested food, the food that is being digested in the previous point, the digested food is going in the blood. Why it is going in the blood? Because blood is a liquid that is transmitted from your body, from one part of your body to another part. So when the digested or soluble food go in the blood take that food in all the parts of the body. So absorption is the taking of food in the blood. Assimilation means the blood is going from one place to another place and giving that food in every part of the body, every cell, every tissue of the body, right? And when you get the food in every part of the body, every cell of the body, then you get the energy in every point of your body. All this food also repair some damaged tissue or damaged cell when the food reaches to that part by the help of blood. So this is assimilation. Now the last is egestion. Egestion is very clear and very easy. The undigested food, the food that is not being digested in our body, is ejected out or thrown out from our body by the help of anus. Right? So this is the basic 5 terms that come in holozoic mode of nutrition. So this is all about the life process, basic and quiet things that I explained today, like nutrition, mode of nutrition, the type of heterotopic nutrition. This is all about this topic.